Hey, today I just want to go over the benefits of applying wax to your Fjällräven pants. The reason you'd want to do that is to increase the durability and the waterproofness of the G1000 material. Whether it be the G1000 light, like I've got here on the Abisko pants, or the G1000 heavy on the Barents Pro, and also featured on the Keb trousers and the reinforcement places. Today I'm going to use the Fjällräven Greenland Wax to apply the wax to the trousers, and then we're going to heat it up and iron it on. So I'm just going to get the wax and I'm just going to apply it to the G1000 fabric on a hard surface where I can just rub the wax on. Paying attention into the seams and any of the parts that have got contact with the ground or wet grass. Note, you don't want to apply the wax to the stretch material on any of the Fjällräven pants. So the stretch on your Abisko and the stretch on the Kebs, just onto the G1000. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to iron up the G1000 material just to impregnate that wax in. I've just thrown a towel down on top of the ironing board so I don't get any wax on it. Some people like to use a bit of paper over the top. I never bother. I just use the iron on quite a warm setting, so on cotton. And all we're going to do is just iron your trousers as you normally would and just melt that wax into the fabric. If you need to reapply wax at all at any time, you can. Okay, so there we have it. We've ironed all the wax in, impregnated into the fabric of the pants, and now the fabric is nice and water resistant. The final test, the water just beads off nicely on your G1000 pants, keeping you nice, warm, dry, and looking sharp out on the hills. If you've got any questions, always just mark it in the comments or flick us a message at Past Outdoors. Cheers.